Hello everyone. Today we are introduce you our best quality portable fiber laser machine. Easy operate, easy maintenance, direct engraving on all metals, stainless steel copper aluminum rings and jewelry.
Connect power cable. Connect USB cable. Connect foot control cable. Power on machine. Now, open software. You can use software to design any letter, logos, image and direct engraving. See, here is the engraving position. Click engraver, so machine will engraving automatic. Let us see more demo for more different materials.
The same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.